Let me show you how to work a treble crochet stitch. It's abbreviated TR for treble crochet. So we will wrap the yarn twice around our hook. Then go into the indicated stitch, make a yarn over and pull through. And we now have 4 loops on our hook. We yarn over and go through the first 2. Then yarn over, go through the next 2. And yarn over again and go through the last 2. So that's a treble crochet stitch. We'll make one more together. Yarn over twice, go into the stitch, yarn over and bring up a loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, and a third time yarn over and go through 2. So that's our treble crochet stitch, and you can recognize it by having 2 of these slanting loops across the stitch for a treble crochet stitch.